Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is for our expecting and nursing moms. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this nursing balm. If you're a first-time mom, you must have heard about how breastfeeding can give you sore or cracked nipples, and if you've had a baby before and you breastfed your baby, you already know the drill. You know that breastfeeding can be tough and painful sometimes, and sometimes you might get some sores. Well, this balm is super soft and super moisturizing, and I've made them with ingredients that are baby friendly, so you don't have to worry about what your baby's taking in. So here I'm just showing you how this melts into the skin, and guys, this thing smells amazing. It smells exactly like the chocolate bar called Bounty, and I love it so much. After using this as a nursing balm, I'm also going to be using this as a moisturizer because this thing smells nice. Come on. So, displaying my ingredients on this tray I borrowed from my daughter's kitchen. We're going to be using firstly cocoa butter, and next we're going to be using some avocado butter, unrefined, please, unrefined, and mango butter as well. And we also need some coconut oil. Now, I chose all these ingredients because they were made from fruits that are edible, so you can trust that, okay, whatever your baby is taking in, it's not going to be harmful. Into a stainless steel bowl or a glass bowl, we're adding a tablespoon of cocoa butter, and next we're adding a tablespoon of avocado butter and also a tablespoon of mango butter. Then lastly, we're going to be adding a tablespoon of coconut oil as well. As you can tell, the cocoa butter is hard and clumpy while the avocado and mango butters are soft, and this is what makes the balm easy to apply and extra moisturizing. The added coconut oil makes it even softer. So we're going to be using the double boiler method to combine all of this. So I'm just placing the stainless steel bowl over a pot of boiling water, making sure that the bottom of the bowl is not touching the water. The steam from the hot water is what helps to melt the butters, and everything just combines into one. I totally enjoyed watching this melt over heat and just watching every part of the butter just dissolve and everything become one. So I'm using a wooden skewer to just stir and to help it dissolve quicker. Once this is completely dissolved, I just stir to make sure that it's properly combined, and then I transfer to my storage jar, which is just an old storage jar from a cosmetic product which I have washed and cleaned and prepared for this project. And I just transferred the dissolved liquid into the jar and cover it up and pop it in the freezer for it to solidify. And once this has solidified, our nursing balm is ready to use. This is the final result after it's cooled down, and guys, man, you need to try this project. This thing smells amazing. It smells edible, just like the Bounty chocolate bar, and it's so soft, so moisturizing. Man, you can see, let me leave talk. Anyway, send this to an expecting mother or a nursing mother, or even make it for the coming Harmattan season. As in, trust me, Harmattan has nothing on you with this moisturizer. Anyway guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.